Hi friends, this video shows how to change IP address. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Set connected Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here you can see IP address section 192.168.1.7. That is the current IP address. I am going to change this IP address. Go down. Set IP settings. Set static. Here let me type 192.168.1. I am going to type 8. The current IP address is 1.7. I am going to change this to 1.8. Then submit. So here we need to enter the gateway. I can enter 192.168.1.1 gateway, then prefix length 24, submit. DNS1 8.8.8.8, okay, submit. DNS2 same 8.8.4.4, submit. Saved successfully. Then let me check the IP address. Go to top, see IP address changed to 192.168.1.8. Earlier it was 1.7. So this way we can change IP address. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.